Hi and welcome back. Today we're making hot honey chicken tenders. So go ahead and add your chicken tenders to a bowl. You're going to want to add buttermilk and then add whatever seasonings that you like. I did Cajun curry powder, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And then I'm going to add a little bit of pickle juice and we're going to let that marinate for 45 minutes. And then go ahead and get your flour ready or whatever you're going to want to coat your chicken tender in, and go ahead and season it with the same seasonings that you added in with the bowl. You just want your chicken tenders to be really seasoned. And if you've been enjoying the content, please make sure to subscribe and like the video, please. But after the 45 minutes is up, go ahead and start flouring your chicken tenders. Just add as much as you can. I floured them one time and coated them, and then did it one more time just to make sure everything was coated and kind of sealed for when it was time to fry them. But once you're done with that, go ahead and start frying them. I let my chicken tenders sit for 10 minutes before I put it in the fryer. But start frying them. After 4 minutes, take them out and add the other batch in. And then let those fry for 4 minutes. Take those out and then add the other ones back in for another minute and a half. But while you're doing that, you can make your sauce. So this is the hot honey sauce. So add honey, butter, and I used Frank's Buffalo hot sauce. So you can add something similar to that to make a hot honey sauce, but these are the ones that I added. And then I added smoked paprika and garlic powder. But yeah, just let that simmer and then add however much you want to a bowl when the chicken tenders are done, and mix it all around. I do not a lot of sauce. I don't like it to be too saucy, I guess. So I added basically just the right amount to coat it, but add however much you want. And this is going to be the final product. Thank you.